Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make two AI talk to each other in Character.ai. First of all you have to do is open the Character AI app on your phone. I want to mention that this method is now only working on the app version and not on the website version, because the old website is now you can say deactivated, and the new version of the website of Character AI doesn't support creating a room. So that's why I'm using a phone app, and it is still working on Android phone, and I have tested it. Now I will show you how to do it on your phone. So open the Character AI app on your phone. Once the app is opened, you have to log in with your Character AI account. From here you have to select on the create button. From here you have to select group chat, click on it, and you can add as many characters in your group chat as you want. For example, I will add 4 characters and create a group chat. So now a group chat has been created. Now I will ask all of my characters, can you all introduce yourself to each other? Let's see, I have sent this text message. Now I have to select the character that I want to reply. For example, I will select this first character. Now she has replied to my message. And now I will select another character to check if that character talks to the previous character. As you can see, this new character is talking to my previous character. Now I'll select this character. As you can see, they all are talking to each other. The drawback is that they won't talk to each other automatically. So you have to select manually which character do you want to reply to the previous character. And that's how you can make two AI talk to each other in Character.ai. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.